Hey, to change keyboard language on the Realme 12 5G, you have to go open settings. Now you will have to start scrolling and reach additional settings. And from here we have to go to the keyboard and the input method. And now we have to select current keyboard. So as you can see, we've got the Gboard, right? When it's selected, we have to go to manage keyboards, select the Gboard, and now select languages. Next, click to add keyboard, and we have to add second language. Let's say that I want to add Polish language. Now I can also turn on and off the multilingual typing, and I can click done. Now when it's finished and when I'm going to open the keyboard, for example in the settings, to change the language I have to click on this icon, and when I click and hold it I can also manually change the language and navigate into the language settings. As you can see now, it's actually changed the language of the keyboard. So that's all for this video. Right now please subscribe to my channel.